While my fish tacos are inspired by my many visits to taquerias on the west coast of America, rest assured, no frying is involved. These are lovely hake fillets, which I've just sliced lengthwise. And on the hake, I want some paprika for just a gentle kick. And the fragrant earthiness of cumin. Of salt. Sprinkle this over. Rather messily. I'm roasting the fish, so I need a bit of olive oil. I don't want to bombard them with flavour because there's so much going on with the fish taco, and that's the point. But a bit of garlic, always good. And now, wonderful anointing. I roast the fish at a very high temperature for a very short time, so the garlic doesn't burn. Right, into the oven. Now, I do know that you wouldn't find corn niblets in a taqueria on the west coast of America, but this is what I do. A can of corn niblets, a bit of salt, chopped red chilli, and some chopped coriander, or cilantro, as they say over there. Perfect. And a quick decant. Along with the corn, I like to have some mayo spiked with chili sauce on the side, as well as a tangle of red onions that I've steeped in lime juice. Just gorgeous. I have to concentrate so I don't drop them. And now I'm going to add a touch of much denigrated iceberg. It gives such great crunch in the tacos. Teeny bit of coriander. I'll just grab my tortillas and it's taco time.